Hey, I'm back. We're going to answer the question, does fiber cancel out your carbs? Another question from someone. Well, it doesn't cancel out all the carbs. It reduces the effect that carbs have on your blood sugars for sure. And there's a thing called net carbs, which basically you take the total carbs, we deduct the fiber, and we get the net carbs. That's the calculation that we use. And then you have something called the glycemic load, which is different than the glycemic index, which tells you how much that carbohydrate is going to spike your blood sugars. Glycemic load is more the quantity of carb. So if you have a food that's mostly fiber, for example, even though it's carbohydrates, it's not nearly going to affect your blood sugar. So we really want to take in consideration the glycemic load, which I put a link down below on a video specifically about that. Okay, so let's just take celery, for example. We'll take one stalk of celery, which comes out to 1.2 grams of carb, okay? It's actually pretty low, isn't it? It's mostly water. And then half of it is fiber. 0.6 grams is fiber. So we have a very low glycemic load. So it's not going to have very much effect on your blood sugars because it's half of it is fiber. Okay? So we have a net 6 grams. It's less than 1 gram of carbohydrate per stalk. So you do not have to worry about celery. Now we take a carrot, which is in one medium-sized carrot, there's 6 grams. Minus the fiber, 1.7 equals 4.3 grams. You know, a good amount of fiber. We still have some carbs, but it's pretty low. Okay, we have a lot of water in there as well. So now if we take a potato, which is 37 grams, minus 4.7 grams of fiber, comes out to 32.3 net carbs. So you can see celery is half fiber. A potato is definitely not half fiber. It's just a smaller amount of fiber. So it is true that fiber will lessen the effect of carbs on your blood sugar, but it doesn't necessarily cancel it out. So yes, you need to watch your carbs. Also look at the glycemic load. Watch the video down below. But the bottom line is if you get most of your carbs from your vegetables, you don't really have to worry about it because we have a lower amount of carbs, higher amount of fiber. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Hey, you know what? I just want to say something. Only 30% of the people that are watching this video actually make it this far. And you did. So I really appreciate you. Thank you so much.